down! Lie down! Lie down! Yes. Shh. You know what happened, eh? This chief has sent us message, eh?
And the message will come deliver.
Yeah, me. This man, Johnson man.
Johnson man. For this time, not get bank out.
I buy one now. I'm gonna stand up. I said stand up now. I'm gonna stand up. Based on what you get, what? Stand up. No worry, stand up. Stand up.
Stand up! You know the year one. Come on!
No shout for our clients. Stand up. More sit down. More relax. I'm gonna stand up. Stand up. No, shoot for that. Shoot for me. Stand up. No, man there. It's not my standard. More relax, More relax. Alright, be
Like yourself. Like yourself.
I cannot see you. I cannot see you.
You don't see my face? Okay, I know why. I be hold on for me. Yeah. No shoot am more. Now I guy be this. If you see me now, be no verse. Say we interrupt on our love section. I just simply put something carry us come. You don't tell me and my friends we experience love. So like this, I don't see couple. We go share love. So if you just want now, we say man and two just share drink. Man, I just dey watch on her. Finish.
Cheers.
Yes, man, just dey watch Romeo and Juliet.
I don't have appetite.
Like you said, don't worry.
I told you, I said go. You know the man go.
Yes. Mona toast.
Cheers.
Cheers. Don't dey fear, don't drop gun now.
I'm not going to shoot you.
Nothing dey happen.
What's your drink?
Come on now, stop. If they provoke me now, I go speak English. Stop now.
But drink.
No shout for our people now. Now love. Now when they enjoy themselves.
Drink. You know how to be.
Now don't look happy. Like this, I want the ball. On our feet, continue love.
Want to go?
Yes.
It will not happen again.
Just like that?
Yes. Go with the go.
After pass my kalana, move they go now. Brothers, move they go now. Church service don't finish now.
Have a nice night.
Enjoy yourself. Senior man, no verse. Sorry. One love, What are friends for now? Don't look at me like that. Enjoy yourselves, One love. Tell them peace and love now.
Peace and love. Love.
Bye.
Mom, Dad, those men put something inside those glasses of wine and asked you to drink it.
What I say?
Yes, I was at the staircase washing them.
They put something in our drinks?
Yes.
Hello, Okuzu. Respect. Yeah, we don't package our don't run out. Everywhere good. Hey, activate where? I know you should see now. Ivy, awawa.
Ice cream.
Don't waste our time. Don't waste our time.
No, they ask me, I go throw you slap.
Come on, stop. Small
Stranger.
See, now, tell this your neighbor. This three line, this three shop. Tell this woman say, come here tomorrow. She know the meat. I don't try to go to Rambo. Hear that talk?
I don't
Hear me?
Yes, so.
Ivy. Okay, that shot don't pay. Move.
Deliver the message, you hear me, so. Let's go cut off your small breast.
What you dey do?
She go collect am for her. As I dey meet am so,
The question still remain, you don't pay.
Smolly, what you do for here this night now? Who you be?
I lost my way.
You lost your way, what? Where are you from? They come where you lost way now.
I was going here with my mother and they kidnapped her and I lost my way.
This kind night. What's your pillar now?
I don't have a father.
You no get papa. So you be small pikin come carry big problem. I want to do now. And if I see my carry this money now, I lap my unit now. I want to finish am. I don't even get food where I dey take feed myself. Maybe I carry and go police. No. Police go poof me ASAP. Na to carry and go senior man. No. Only senior man fit handle this matter now. Just tell her say na my sister pikin. See, Smolly. I'll carry you go lap my senior man for morning. You go lap my unit this night. For Moronto, I'll carry you go lap my senior man side. If you reach here, no talk pam. Na me go do you talking. I go tell and say my sister pikin wey don move. Say na you be, na me dey take care of you. All this while. You hear me? You hear me? Now we go straight now. Yeah? Comport yourself. See that night. Senior! Respect,
Yes, sir.
Everywhere good.
Who she be?
Now my sister we don't move now, pikin be this so. All this while she did my side just take her. But I know if you can run levels for them every day now. I don't meet your boy, you understand? So I say make her still carry and come meet you. Make she feel the day with you. Make you dey see am as your own pikin to make she dey see you as pillar. You understand? But na very sharp girl, oh. Correct babe like this. If you do to her like this, she dey deliver ASAP.
So the papa and the mama don't die?
Everybody don't move.
No wahala now. My dear, what's your name?
My name is Olivia.
Olivia. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Okay, come, I'm now your new daddy. You're welcome.
Only behave yourself. Once in a while, I will still come and check on you. Senior, I won't go lap my polo now. You get 1 or 2 matters we solve for area.
Okay.
So we'll just go run and sharp, come back.
Everywhere good.
Senior.
Bye, I wanna.
Only behave yourself, They alright, I deal with you, Everywhere good.
Oh God, what is it, Nagaba? What is it?
I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. I want two of us to just talk. Huh?
2 of us to talk about what?
Bring down your voice.
Stop pestering me in this village. Stop pestering me in this village. What is it now? What is it?
Shut now, I'm talking to you. Nanya. There is no way you will expect me to stop pesting. It's not pest. It is Suharel. Look at you. Look at how beautiful you are. You're not going to go close to the child. What do you want me to do? I'm going to walk out, but it's flowing through me. Nanya, I want you to give me a chance. I want 2 of us to be boyfriend.
Hold it! Don't even, I don't want to hear the ending part. Don't complete it. You want both of us to be boyfriend and girlfriend.
Huh?
As how now? How? What? I don't understand.
Have
you seen yourself? No, have you looked at me? No, look at me now. Look at me. Look. Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself. Look at the way you're even dressed. Even though I want to date somebody in this village, Agaba, it can never be you. You're not my class. You are not my class. You're supposed to be pursuing those widows that don't have husbands. Those are the people you are meant to be chasing. Not me now. Have you seen me? I should end up with you. God forbid. My husband! My husband! My husband! My husband, please wait for me! My husband! My husband! My husband! Hey! My husband! My husband, why are you running? I love you so much. Why are you running away from me? My husband! Hey! My husband, wait for me now. Stop running away from me. You know I love you so much.
Adami.
Let's sleep.
Mama. Hey. Who did this to you? Mama.
Hey. See my husband. Very handsome.
Who's your husband?
Let's see our house. See my room. See his room.
This place
see
is
our
house.
Children's room. Yes, now.
Adami, please, let me take you home. Let me take you home. Please.
You take me to my husband.
Exactly. Your husband.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yes. Let's go.
You take me to my husband. You take me to my husband.
Then
stop smiling now. Give me to my my wedding cap. Take me to my husband.
not for me. It's fine.
I did so that one. That's fine.
Boss!
Senior! Boss man! Sir, 3 pesos for you, Tinoma. 3 pesos for you.
Baba, we need Canadian love. We need enough highness. You know what it be now.
But you in the shop now, They don't dey chook eye for this office. Bless everyone one cast. So from tomorrow, no gonna know they come here for the market. Once you call me, I go send person who go deliver. I don't get new delivery machine.
Only?
Smalley?
And she go to deliver now.
No, you don't know now. Area mama!
Area mama!
Correct.
That's senior man, your face show, your shoes shine, your teeth white. You know the matters now.
Yes,
I won't make my head. They
Who know they give man joy?
The feeling is different. Confirm. Senior man.
I have come to give you the balance of a job well done.
Normal. I hope so you complete.
Complete. Okozo, you're too much. You and your men did a very neat job for me. Within the space of 5 hours, I counted in millions. I got it too much now the business.
I told you now, my better business.
Hi. Okozo, I promise you one thing. As I progress in this business, I'm going to show you love 247.
I believe you. I believe you everywhere, bitch. I believe you.
Sure.
Bye, Anna. Take care. Now we day here.
Sure.
Thank you.
See you later.
All right.
Uncle, who is that man that just left here?
You mean John Colo?
Yes.
Okay. He's our very good friend and business partner.
What business do you have with him?
Bia. I feel my horn as well.
You're supposed to be the manager of this company. You are supposed to see to the affairs of this company. But what did you do? You sit back there and watch things go south. How could you? You are supposed to be my right-hand man. So if I am not there, nothing is going to function. That is what you're telling me. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I am sorry, boss.
You should be sorry for yourself. You should be sorry for yourself.
I promise to fix it. I'm sorry for the laxity.
That is what should have been in your head before making these silly mistakes. Fix it!
You're beginning to ask too many questions, so my friend, go inside. We don't talk too much. You dey sell foul for me. Give me water.
Bye. Bye, oh. Hey, my husband!
Who
is your husband?
My husband.
My husband! It's Agapanda.
You don't know
My husband!
my husband.
Then stay here now. Bring me to my husband. Hey, calm down. My husband.
What is it?
I don't stay
My
now.
husband.
My Agapanda.
What you do?
Agreed. Go there.
What happened?
Agaba, it's my sister. She's mad. I saw on my way coming out.
At this age,
Exactly.
do you people have this madness in your lineage?
No, not at all. Mancha?
Then how come this one?
I don't know. I'm confused.
My husband, you married
You know, Paul, you know. If I want the Yahoo, if I have Mazi Yahoo, if I have Mazi Yahoo, if from the Yahoo, Mazi Yahoo. Yes, it will nobody have Yahoo. Go and check her phone. Where is her phone? Check her phone. You will see.
I don't see her phone.
Your phone. Help with the young marriage, not your phone. This is in the Yahoo. Hey! Then why did you bring her to this place?
are you saying this now? Eh? It's only you that cure mad people in this village now.
If I cure mad people in this village, or did you call me on the phone? If you want to bring the mad person, you call me on the phone to tell me the situation, the condition of the madness.
I'm sorry.
How many days has she been mad?
Only today, Mazi.
Only today. And she has a tied rope on the head and on the leg. This is out of it. Oh, this is more than madness. Madness on a level.
That's why I come to you. Help me. Help me and heal her.
Do you know how much I will charge you if I want to heal this kind of madness? You cannot pay, but I will make it easier for you. The only condition I will heal this girl here is that I will just make her wish. As you can see, she's already calling me my husband or my husband. I don't even know where that one is coming from. So if I heal her now, you will give me the permission to marry her. That is the only condition.
Meaning you will heal her for me?
Do I have any other work?
No problem.
I should marry her after?
I'm ready to give her to you.
You are ready?
Ha! As far as you will heal her for me, no problem.
You are going to sign for me. You will sign for me.
Sign what?
Yes, now because now if I just finish healing her now, you know, see, as you can see, she's a very beautiful, succulent girl. She will begin to say, "No, I will not do it." So you have to sign, so that she will know that there is an agreement. Agreement is agreement.
No problem. I will sign.
Yes. Yes.
Byron. No problem.
I will have to. But anyway, sir, why am I afraid? If I heal her today and she says she will not marry me, I will return the. Let me get. Let me get the book.
Let me take it to my house and build duplex for us. Very fine duplex.
No, I cannot put an actual duplex here.
You love me, we are happy family.
Lie down! Lie down! Lie down!
Listen. Shh. What happen, eh? This is for send us message, eh?
And the message will come deliver.
Yeah, me. This man a Josie man.
For this time, not get bank half.
I buy a one. I'm on to stand up. I said stand up now. Stand up. Please don't give one. Stand up. Don't worry. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up! You know the level.
Come on!
Don't shout for our clients. Stand up. Most sit down. More relax. Stand up. Stand up. No, shoot for us. Shoot and stand up. No, men there. So no man stand up. More relax, More relax. Alright, be
Like yourself.
So I cannot see you. I cannot see you.
You don't see my face. Okay, I know why. I be hold up for me. No shoot at me. Now guy be this. If you see me now, be. No verse, say we interrupt on our love section. I just simple something carry us come. You don't tell me and my friends we experience love. So like this, don't see couple. We go share love. So if you just want to say, man, two just share drink. Man, I just watch on finish.
Cheers.
Yes, man, just they watch Romeo and Juliet.
I don't have a plate.
Like you said, no worry.
I will load you. I said go. You know the way they go.
Yes. Mona toast.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. No, they fear. Don't drop gun now.
I'm not going to shoot you.
Nothing they happen.
That's drink. They go.
Come on now, stop. They provoke me now. We speak English. Stop.
When I drink.
Drink. No shout for people. Now love. Now when they enjoy
I'm
themselves.
drink.
Now let me happy.
Oh,
Say
beautiful boy.
Like this, I want the ball. On our feet, continue love.
Want to go?
Yes.
It will not happen again.
Just like that?
Yes. Go with the go.
After pass my Catalan, move the go now. Brothers, move the go now. Church service don't finish now. I agree.
Have a nice night.
Enjoy yourself. See no man, no verse. Sorry. One love, What are friends for now? Don't look at me like that. Enjoy yourself, One love. Tell them peace and love now.
Peace and love. Love.
Bye.
Mom, Dad, those men put something inside those glasses of wine and asked you to drink it.
Let me see.
Yes, I was at the staircase watching them.
Put something in our drink. Hello, Okuzu. Respect. Yeah, we don't package our no everywhere good. Hey, activate well. No issues. Awawa.
Please, what is this? Please, what is this? What is this?
Hey!
I've missed you.
I missed you too.
Hey.
You're looking very fine.
You're okay now? Yes, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Hey! Allow me to
Okay, I'm fine.
What of your house?
Oh, my husband. He's inside.
He's taking good care of you.
My husband. He's a very...
Onye ka anyị fụkwara ihe n'ụkwọ Adanne, you came. You are welcome. Have you given anything to her?
I will.
If you go inside, we have everything. You go to the fridge. If she needs food, you give her food, warm the food. Eat your own and give her. I've eaten my own. Just make sure that you are okay. After eating, you bath and wait for me. I am coming.
No problem.
This one, put this one in the front.
Okay.
Put it in the front. That is what.
Take away.
And you too. Nana, anything you want, sit down. She will give you everything. As you can see, she's very beautiful.
My sister is beautiful.
Very beautiful. I'm taking care of her. As you can see the evidence. Let me go. I want to go and see the Igwe. When I come back, if you are still around, I will meet you. If she's going, pack food and give her.
Enough food stuff.
Food is not our problem.
Exactly.
Alright. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Don't come back late, though.
No, not at all, not at all.
Danny, how are you coping with this man? Which man? Agaba, of course.
You mean my husband? He's such a nice man. He's a very lovely man.
With all these mad people inside his house.
So what are you trying to say? Are you calling my husband mad?
No.
I'm your elder sister. Respect me.
I know.
Anyway, what are you going to say? My husband is taking care of me. This is why I'm shining. Don't worry. You'll get your own husband very soon. Yeah? Don't worry. What do you want to eat?
Nothing. I'm okay. I'm okay. I just say, let me come and see you.
Come and see me. So you don't want to eat anything in my house?
So,
are you not happy about my marriage?
Of course you himself. How far now? Of course you, my man. What did you have? I'm fine. Look good.
Okozo, something is going on right now in my company.
What do you mean that?
The accountant of that company threatens to spill the beans if I don't give her the share of the company's profits.
Now she get the company.
I don't understand. That girl is a gold digger. She wants to reap where she did not sow.
Where she did when you dey suffer the plan, they arrange everything. Now she won't come begin chop where she not sow.
Of course, you see me so wahala.
Nakama Akpako now.
You are there. Exactly. Akpako. Okozo. There is no time. Please, have this one.
So make her Naka madness.
Naka madness. And by the time she finds herself at the dustbin, picking come, I'm gonna head each na up you wega and you work around.
So your mind career make her Naka madness.
Confirm.
Okay. Write her name for white paper.
Okay.
Add her picture, join. Bring her to me.
I trust
Even if you dey busy, just give person made bring her. Within 3 days, she go run mad.
Okay. I have to go now.
Area mama. Area mama. You go deliver now, eh? Remember J-Boy. Chopper. You go deliver now. Oh, yeah. Don't forget the OTO. You go to pay like say you want go buy something, yeah? Hurry, go deliver, come back. Hurry. Yeah, mama. Shine your eye, yo.
Look at somebody's wife. Look at somebody's wife. What are you doing?
I'm taking pictures.
Pictures?
I'll post, yeah.
Post where?
Facebook.
Face. That is this one they call. Hey, talk. Somebody talk.
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yes.
Do you know that when I got to the palace, Ishi Onoha was doing the thing? He said, tap.
TikTok live. That is TikTok live.
Live!
TikTok live.
I wanted to talk. He said, no. You see, go. I am live. Nanya, I want to do that. See this my phone. You will open that in this phone.
No problem.
Take me pictures. So that I will open it there, put it there, so that the whole world will see my face.
No problem.
Take me pictures. Okay.
That side is not fine.
Show me.
Wait, one shot. No, nah, you don't fight. Don't look up too much. Let's take selfie.
That one, they will put 2 people.
Yeah.
Self.
Say cheese.
Cheese! Open this thing for me. This tick, eh? TikTok. Tick before talk. Tick before talk. Open it. Oh, we will put all this picture inside. Okay. I will go everywhere. Live.
TikTok live.
Live. I am going to buy that light. There is this light they put.
Ring light.
Ring, but it's big.
Ring light. That's the way to call it because that's the shape of ring. Ring light. Yes.
I will buy it. Every day we are in I heard that they are making money there. Money in this house. If I go to my shrine, we are doing it. Anywhere, we are doing it.
No, my husband, I cannot do TikTok live in my shrine.
Okay, I cannot do it in my shrine. Okay, so what is happening? Just open it. Yeah? No Let me go and change it now. If I come back and I will continue.
No problem, I'll open it for you.
TikTok, here I come. About TikTok.
TikTok.
Let me tell you, it is very nice to marry a wife that is educated.
Thank you.
No one more man no is sir.
I'm waiting for you. Hey!
This is a play for you.
What do you people want? Please let me go.
I like that question with your ass. I just like you for that question. Behind you know fine girl. And we dey like fine girls. Like this now, want to make you join us, maybe one of us, you get. See this Bruce, so they'll be like initiation. See my niggas, see all of them don't kiss am. So now your turn now. We just need Bunny, may just follow us for this matters, you get. So you just kiss this drink. We free you, you go.
I'm not going to drink from this thing. I can't drink from this bottle.
I'm positive for this guy, man.
Calm down. Okay, no issues now. Show am the tools now.
To collect o.
They see am. Eh? Na kala be that. So like this now, eh? You go make your choice. You go drink am, or you go dash you small groundnut. Hey, the ball. I see am.
You push not shoot me. Just let me go, please now.
You go drink abimo dash you groundnut.
Okay.
Eh? Na sweet drink, collect. Every good matters now.
Da fanya. Wop.
This is poison.
Come on.
Okay. Bye, Yawa. You don't make your choice. Say we'll shoot you, Abi.
I will shoot
you. Hold on there. Come on, hold on. Hey, give me a drink,
Let that well. Drink the drink of life.
I be.
I'll be choo.
Wait, you go through display, calm down. Most of the work. You clear?
So that's cinema.
Anna.
Cinema. Come on, stop.
You know, boss. Leave her, make she display.
Come on.
Carry on, fine ash, come on here.
Hey, you won't come home now.
Hey, you don't see him. She a fine ash. Coronavirus.
Go see your man.
Confirm.
The ring, don't the ring.
Sharp.
Hello, senior man. Tuale. Okuzu, they with you. Yeah, everywhere good. We don't pack it. We don't run the matters. You don't they work. We don't run out. It's up. You walk. Bye. I want men on guard. Everywhere good. I be like this. Yeah, don't cast to Awada. Yeah, I'm more face this other direction. I see her. Yeah.
Go check.
More cross carpet now. By this way, I be like by this way.
Now this way.
Are we get this stand?
What happened for you? Don't be like. Oh, big boy. Now we the wrong this time. Come on. The only area mama.
Baba J, what in this so?
Area mama see me now. See me, we just dey chill. You see these guys say they here. Now them be my now them be my main guys for this area. Nobody, nothing they saw. They give me joy. They give me joy. Hey, area mama. So wait till you carry come for us.
My papa sent me go deliver goods give him.
Hey, now your papa. So wait till you carry come.
Original.
Area mama. Hey, it's sure for you.
Don't be lying.
Mama, papa.
Hey, I see.
I feel you.
Yanta. Area mama.
No
wahala. Nothing dey happen for this town. Nothing do you. Okay, no.
Don't safety for you.
Hey! Oh, but family one now. What is the worry you spoke on them? They do you come? They do you come? They gonna enjoy for this town. Oh boy, clear road. Come stand for here. They block my road now.
What do you want to do?
Make una dey enjoy. I dey come.
Man, come this life.
I dey with una. I dey come, my guy.
I'm not where you there now. I cannot be like you.
This one now,
Don't be like saying that God now just send that corn.
My body need them.
You dey wine.
How she take?
You don't whisper.
You hope. Okay.
Yes.
You run out sharp, I beg.
Yes. Don't be lying.
I can't wait.
Don't be lying. I see. You good? You're correct.
You mean I'm?
Don't be normal stream. J-boy! Come on. You sure say na area mama smoke be this? He get as my head. The smoke now.
Correct one, yeah, Dada. What's up?
Yeah, boy.
Wait!
Guys.
What's this one? Mate! Jesus! Mate!
Yeah, I know they feel myself again.
What did happen?
I know they feel my game, boy! Hey! My hand!
Yeah, boy.
Hey!
Oh boy! Look at my mama smoke with this. Oh boy! Hey, smoke on us. Hey! 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 Sit down! Hey! Hey!
What did happen?
Who amongst you collected this substance I kept here?
Ah, Papa, my hand not do.
Papa, as I did so my hand clean tie.
Maba, no nothing else. Nothing at all, no.
I don't want to talk through, Abi. If I find out who moved that thing on my own, I'm not gonna like what I go do the person now. Who collected the thing when I keep for here?
Slow one, as I think don't clear you as no be we. You don't ask J-boy who have gone or chopper. Because you don't clear you as no be we.
None of them don't come here today.
That means that there be no one suspect now.
Hey!
Hey!
What's happening?
What on? And chopper, they don't run mad! How? They mad! That's why I did my deal. I know how the matter has been now. And they smoke, they take my, that's so they come join me. As they join me, I say, make I go run, go up. Make I go run 1 or 2. You supposed to understand, make I come down. As I did up, I hear them, they shout. I come down and they hear them. Hey!
Like mad.
I said, they talk to you now, boss. They dey inside Market Square, they run mad. Hey!
What is this? Ha! What is this?
Me nothing happened to my money, no. Which kind of rubbish with this now? We don't settle something, we don't turn everything. They happen. Which kind of time they run now? See, I go kill you there. I go kill you. What's this up now? We don't run all these things finish. Which kind of time they run? Which kind of time they run? I'll call you back. Area mama. Afana.
Okay, boy.
Correct. Sabi there. You bring am abi? Confirm. Confirm.
No, make I dey mash.
No wahala, nothing to you. No lose guard, oh. Yeah, observe, eh? Mugu, what you dey talk for my money? What you dey talk? See, make nothing as I dey talk soon as so it go be. You dey hear so? Hello? What you dey talk? I dey hear you. My head. My head! Jesus! What did happen? God!
did that happen? This guy. This guy smoke. What is this? What did happen? What did happen? What's down? My head. Freedom mama. More smoke. More smoke. I dey like myself. More smoke, freedom mama. Hey mama, where did you go? Hey mama.
This thing dey shock me. Which kind? Which one be say they run comot from where they change them? Which kind package be this one now?
No, I don't reason this thing tire. I don't reason I'm tired. No be ordinary.
Wait o. That man people wey dey match that phone from that time. Na that two match that phone from
That's
that.
all now. What type of reason thing? That's all they waka.
Leave am, that man don swear for them.
I swear.
That man no clean.
You know, they won't follow them go that match. Oh.
So by now if I don comot clothes dey waka for road o.
I just the reason of things. Can you imagine?
We need find way go dey find them. Just na for area, go dey find them. Before this boy go chop, just say normally this guy like food normally. If you go as he dey craze, if you don go dey chop garri for road.
So,
Go ask boys enjoy wetin don dey worry am already.
I don't reason this thing.
Hey!
I know.
Area mama!
Area mama!
Area mama!
Area mama!
Area mama!
Chopper. So,
How dey be now?
Na where be I carry come?
I feel am.
You know the matters now.
Toast me.
Toast my body need now, abi.
Sharp one, sharp.
Hey, area mama, your face show, your shoe shine.
Make I dey match so my papa no go dey find me.
Everywhere good, your face show, your shoe shine.
Turn up later.
Your teeth white. Bye, yawa.
Deal with this one now.
Very well, good now. You know the matters now. Area mama dey give us now.
What to do?
I don't know if you worry, Kunle go dey carry smoke when no good, they can't give us. I am now. You go tie one first, no share this one first.
Yeah.
You use one for the, you understand for the
Sharp. Based on
do am quick.
Wetin dey keep this guy now?
But if freestyle na smoke don show na still dey find am. This one go well for us na for later PM now.
Sharp one.
Run am quick. Ta. Who no go know. Na this one still dey step up now.
No, but you know, I know they okay for that thing, my guy.
Freestyle dey go dey alright. Na just craze dey craze, you no dey worry them too much. Who craze go still come back normal. Tire strong. You know there, you dey game. I collect lighter na. This no make man dey get am clear. My head dey all of na raw already, Sharp.
You feel am?
Why na?
Make I tight am.
Collect lighter first, make dey come dey
So we dey do.
I be clear.
Try.
You clear abi?
Nothing sweet pass.
Drag. Na go for pass na. Na go for pass. You dey na no dey delay smoke.
Try. This one hater. This one sharp guy. I dey hear am. Boom.
This guy o.
I dey hear boom. I don't know. For kiss am again.
We back comot shirt. Get am dey do it. Like say he's not dey do for here o. Oh. Smoke drag.
How they do you? How they come out? See as your skeleton come out.
I get skeleton.
Anyway, be like bone. You hear him? He be like bone. Say as you small.
He dey laugh. He dey laugh. He dey laugh. He dey laugh, Abi. He dey laugh.
Collect. I know they see where. I know they see where.
You off light.
See that ant? It won't be like elephant.
Hold the smoke first. You off light. I've never. Ivy. Okay, Jabba. Okay, now here is there. Ivy now, my God. Come on here.
Go find those guys. Don't mad. Those guys don't mad. I want to find those guys. Don't mad.
Ivy now.
They don't mad for
This your blue shirt strong though.
Those boys don't mad. About guys don't mad for street. Also, my body. Those guys don't mad for street. I didn't go fight. About guys. They don't. Where my smoke again? They don't mad. Everybody. Wait for me. You dey come.
Give my smoke.
Hey, ọ̀sẹ̀ mi pa.
Let my smoke play.
Jẹ́bà. Hey.
Okunzu, the matter as from get as you be as you reason me. I just ma run package and carry come. You say I don't sabi this one from your hand now. Pull am back. And this one, at the curing, just stop and small for water. And your men don't revive back.
So anybody wear mad if you give him this one, he go stop.
You just stop and small for water as you give him. He don't get himself back.
Thank you very much.
No issue, nothing.
Have you done map out your money?
I trust you now, nothing spoil. You go be now.
Alright.
Now you push.
Olivia!
Yes, Uncle.
Rub these things on top of the fridge. If you drop a minute, go wash your hands on. What's in the soup?
There is fire on the mountain.
What is it?
I have a problem in my office.
You get problem for your office.
Akuzu, I don't know. Akuzu.
Olivia! Wait, let me bring Pami for us first. Bring Pami for us.
That for me is not important to me right now.
Person die, calm down now. Oh, didn't go with the talk. You said that they challenge you for office.
This guy, they challenge me. They challenge my authority for office. Office where me also gets. Hey! Akuzu, one of my staff has reason to challenge my authority. She has reason to challenge my authority. And I want you to strike him mad.
Nah, man, I've been a woman.
Now, man.
They challenge you for your company.
Because you need to be there.
You need to be there and see how this man challenges me. I want you to strike him mad. Piayara ozubo ozubo. No time. I don't want to take chances. Madness. Oh, we don't have money for madness. We give more. One useless man. I don't understand. I don't understand.
No,
Write a name for paper with a picture. Hey! Kilonshele. Okusu! My head is burning! My head is burning! Akuzo! Akuzo!
Drink? Drink! Drink! Did you eat? Are you fine?
You need to give here. Uzuma, let's go, let's go.
Head down! Head down! Head down! Yes, yes. Shh. You see what happened, eh? This chief has sent us message, eh?
And the message will come deliver.
Yeah, me. This man, Johnson man.
Johnson man, for this time, not get bank out.
I buy one now. I'm gonna stand up. I said stand up now. I'm gonna stand up. Based on what you get, what? You stand up. No what? Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up! You know the level. Come on!
No shout for our clients. Stand up. More sit down. More relax. I'm gonna stand up. Stand up. No shoot for us. Shoot for me. Stand up. No man there. Man there. You know my stand up. More relax. More relax. Alright, be
Like yourself. Like yourself.
I cannot see you. I cannot see you.
You don't see my face? Okay, I know why. I be hold on for me. Yeah. No shoot am now. Guy be this. If you see me now, be no verse. See we interrupt on our love section. I just simple something carry us come. You don't tell me and my friends we experience love. So like this, we don't see couple. We go share love. So if you just want to say, one or two just share drink. Man, just dey watch on finish.
Cheers.
Yes, man, just dey watch Romeo and Juliet.
I don't have appetite.
Like you said, don't worry.
I told you, I said go. You know the way they go.
Yes. Mona toast.
Cheers.
Cheers. Don't dey fear, don't drop gun now.
I'm not going to shoot you.
Nothing dey happen.
Once you drink, they go.
Come on now, stop. If they provoke me now, I go speak English. Stop now.
When I drink.
Drink. No shout for people now. Now love. Now when they enjoy themselves.
Drink. You know how to be.
Now don't look happy. Like this, I want the ball. On our feet, continue love.
Want to go?
Yes.
It will not happen again.
Just like that?
Yes. Go with the go.
After I pass my kalana, move the go now. Brothers, move the go now. Church service don't finish now.
Have a nice night.
Enjoy yourself. See no man, no verse. Sorry. One love, What are friends for now? Don't look at me like that. Enjoy yourselves, One love. Tell them peace and love now.
Peace and love. Love.
Bye.
Mom, Dad, those men put something inside those glasses of wine and asked you to drink it.
What are you saying?
Yes, I was at the staircase washing them.
They put something in our drinks?
Yes.
It's the people that came to the house. They are the ones that came to the house.
Hey!